Lottie? Apa? Aaron, is this good? He's totally happy. It's like all your tracks at home.
That different track. Because my one goes round and round.
Yeah.
Or is it going to drop?
Oh wait,
How would the train actually drop? Battery.
yeah, that's
But look at that.
Ooh. Oh, he's going up to Harold the helicopter. Oh my god, that was so fast I didn't even catch it.
This is cool.
yeah, so good, isn't it?
Come on, Thomas, so I don't run out of memory.
But once it's done, then it's just done.
We've been to Thomasland 7 times. You know, near Birmingham. This is like Thomasland without having to travel. Ooh, we went to the Waldorf Hilton in London to see their Thomas suite. It was the 1st of August, and it was to promote the fact that you could book a Thomas suite in the hotel from the 1st of August, I think, till the 4th of September. And as you can see, we had a tea party, and this is our waitress delivering our tea. And then shortly after that, we had proper tea stands full of cakes and sandwiches and everything with a Thomas theme. All the toys and everything were up on that balcony that you see there, like a mezzanine floor. And yeah, plenty of tables with lots of people having tea. This is quite early when not everyone's arrived yet. My niece did that drawing, that colouring in. Isn't it gorgeous? So yeah, it was me, Aaron, my 2 nieces, and this is Zena from Zena's Suitcase saying hello to me. Did I forget to say that Lottie was with us and she was asleep at this point? This room is called the Palm Court and it can be booked for conferences and events. Look at that ceiling. And this is my niece. Hello. Aaron, you having fun? What are you doing? Oh, playing with that big truck. Tongue's gone blue already. Ooh.
To welcome all of you to attending this very special and wonderful event. And I'd like to share some very big news with you. This summer, Thomas and Friends is taking families on an exciting journey with the launch of our exclusive themed football suites, taking residency here in this wonderful Waldorf Hilton London Hotel and across the big palms in New York at the Hilton Midtown. Our fantastic accommodation. Now these one-of-a-kind limited edition suites will be available for guests to book from August the 1st until September the 14th. And they haven't told me whether that's New York or
Numbers are
1. The same number that's on Thomas's engine.
in the Thomas suite. It's a single number.
You'll be so
It's number and it's number 5.
Aaron! Here he's playing with the Sky High Thomas truck, which comes out in autumn, priced at about £89. But he absolutely adores it because although we've got a few Thomas tracks, none of them are as big as that. And behind them, the Great Race is playing on DVD, which wasn't coming out till September, so it was a bit of a coup to see it And the track and the DVD are both in the Thomas suite. Watermelon!
Yeah, wow.
Especially the blue one. I really love it.
Yeah, me too. I just had them.
And I love the samples. Not the hot
Oh, you didn't like the blue ones? Have you
He didn't like the blue ones, he liked the ham sandwiches.
Oh, wow.
I love the blue ones, you know.
Have you ever had blue sandwiches before?
And blue cupcakes.
To get to the room, we got off at the wrong floor. Kids love stairs. What's inside?
I thought
Ooh!
that's what I was looking at. See?
Wow.
Oh, there's a TV. There's a TV.
Oh my god!
Is this what I
Oh my god!
shake me, break me, take me
Oh, I've got to put this on Instagram.
and find a better place to
Oh, Aaron, we've got that toy box.
Oh, yeah.
just be and trust yourself.
No, we're just looking at the room.
I want to sleep here.
Oh,
Please. Okay,
I think it's fully booked, Baba.
is it fully booked? Oh, thank
You
you.
can
Is
have
it
that
fully
one. No,
booked?
you don't take off.
Is it fully booked?
Not at the moment, I don't think. When everybody knows about it, it's a
It's not
surprise at the
fully
moment.
booked. It's not.
Oh my god! Even in the adult,
Yeah, even in the adult room.
even in the adult room, there's Thomas cushions.
Yeah, there's just a little accent of it in here. The main, you know.
Oh, that's the proper way to call it,
Showdown.
accent.
Thomas.
Oh my god! So Thomas toothpaste, Thomas toys, Thomas toothbrush, Thomas on the toiletries.
Thomas got-
Oh, Thomas stickers above the loo.
Look, Thomas,
Thomas dressing gown. Oh my god, Thomas shampoo and shower gel. Oh, and even a place to put toys, like a toy basket.
and there's another one.
And another dressing gown behind the
Come
door.
out of here.
There's
Let me see.
a Thomas bath with a television. Boom, there's a TV in the bath. Oh my goodness. Aaron, look, there's a TV in the bath.
I know that. Is it
keep guessing.
You're playing with something that's not even in the shops yet, Aaron. Oh wow. Oh, I might get a proper coverage of him jumping off, which I didn't get downstairs.
I got it on my phone.
Oh, brilliant. Lots of lovely engines everywhere. And if you had two little boys, they've got a sink each, can you imagine? And a little pedestal for them to stand on. Oh, and even a little Thomas blanket. They literally haven't missed a trick. And Thomas stickers above the loo. But the best bit is the Thomas room, of course. Stickers again, proper pictures on the wall.
My sister, she pranked me.
And the desk is custom made, so that's under the glass. But look, they literally have thought of everything. This is a movie that hasn't even come out yet.
Hands of speed. Welcome, one and all, to this year's
And look at that bed. 4 cushions, a fat controller, 2 divas, so your little boys would have one each. Another custom made piece of furniture. Oh, that's a bedside lamp, that's Thomas as well.
You know the TV?
And Thomas toy box, we've actually got that one at home, it's available in Argos. Thomas alarm clock. And then that's the bathroom that we've done already, and this is the adult room, which has even got 2 Thomas pillows. And this is the Sky High track, which isn't even in the shops yet. It's available from autumn, and Aaron just can't stop playing with it.
And there's Harry up here.
Did you see him jump across just then? Oh look, there's all Thomas stuff in here as well. It's amazing. Oh, it's lit up already. Lit up like a Christmas tree, but there's Thomas stickers on the wall everywhere.
I don't know what it is stickers.
But they literally have thought of everything. So this is the little
Oh, I want to see if it works.
children's toilet. They're looking at their goodie bags and we haven't even left yet.
He's the one who was most surprised.
Opening their goodie bags in the hotel suite.
Wait, I went, look.
Like what you got in your goodie bag?
Yeah, I got spin.
Oh God, now I've done it.
I got spin.
Involved in whichever way you can to support and help.